if Don has to defend against Cheslin Colby and Cheslin Colby steps him, and people are saying, but you have to have level change and you have to wrap your arm. We know Don will probably guess which side the guy is going to step in, and he might not even touch him, and there might be a head contact. And we know it might be an accident, but we have accepted to pick the team on that balance. So if Don then makes head contact because Cheslin stepped him so much, and then we accept that because there's one thing, the safety of the game overruled. So you took a chance with your bench selection or your back line or your forward selection, and you stayed within the law. And if you then picked 8 forwards on the bench, and that one guy is so tall and Cheslin stepped him, and you made head contact, hey, we're not going to moan. It's like it happened to us. Sometimes it works for you, but you can't selectively say now, oh, that was an accident. You picked a team like that.